When people think about evolution, they think of a straight line in terms of direction, from point A to point B, only one destination. It seems like that, right? We went from monkey to man in a straight line. Well, actually, that's wrong.
Hold up. Wait, that's in the script?
Yeah. Evolution isn't simply we were monkeys and now we are mammals. Rather, evolution is more of a giant tree with branches of various lengths, all tracing back to a single organism. All of that is according to a man named Charles Darwin, an English naturalist who corrected the way we think about evolution. In 1831, Darwin went on a boat trip on the HMS Beagle. He was exposed to many kinds of species and noticed various similarities between them. Before Darwin's theory of evolution, scientists either thought that a species existed since the beginning of time or eventually came to be on their own. Charles Darwin said that all living things came from a single organism, and evolution is just a giant tree spawning various branches of organisms, all varying in length. But why are they varying in length? Because of something that plays a big role in evolution: natural selection. This is just nature deciding which forms of the species gets to stay alive, reproduce, and which ones don't. In order for a species to avoid extinction, it must evolve to be favored by natural selection, and thus we have evolution by natural selection. Take two primitive giraffes. Assume Giraffe X has a shorter neck than Giraffe Y. Giraffe X will not be able to reach food from the trees and will starve. Only Giraffe Y will reproduce due to his favorable mutations or traits, which will bring giraffes with longer necks into the world. Offsprings A and B have long necks, offsprings C and D have long necks. But what's this? A predator comes along and eats offspring C. The predator needs one giraffe today, and D manages to escape. Because offspring D escaped, it learned that it would need speed to escape the predator and in turn survive. Offspring D reproduces, and offspring E and F will be faster than the previous generation and have longer necks. The animals with favorable mutations will live to reproduce, while those with unfavorable mutations will be eliminated by natural selection and therefore won't reproduce. Wait. Pause. I hope you just saw something that will make everything click together. That tree I drew earlier looks an awful lot like this evolution tree. And how did those branches get cut off? By natural selection. But evolution doesn't just happen overnight. It takes a really long time, as in millions of years. Regardless, we can thank Charles Darwin for evolving the way we think about evolution.